idea behind this conference is to allow our members to meet more people who are in similar circumstances and for ideas to be exchanged.
I said, well, it's probably going to be predominantly large schools, and I don't think I would get anything out of it. But a small institution has the same issues, whether it's college kids or high school kids. So getting a lot out of this.
Wanted to share what I knew, listen to what others have done, and just kind of soak it all in.
I thought the keynote speaker, Jim, was fantastic.
We had Jim Kadamus kick things off with our state of facilities. That's something that we'll always want to do because it provides tremendous context for the start of the meeting.
He touched on a lot of the important points that we were all struggling with.
I particularly like people that present well, that can really speak their heart and bring it out in a particular topic, and that was evidenced this morning.
The sessions were fantastic. Being able to actually sit and talk with your peer groups and your peer colleges, and then just to network and meet people and see what they're doing and hear about what they're doing.
Our strategy sessions are presented by a variety of both member institutions and Sightlines representatives. So we want them to have the opportunity to hear from their members more than they hear from us.
It's really the back and forth and the discussion that our members have about this common issue. That's really the thing that we're trying to extract in terms of the value of a session that they attended in Sites.
I realized that we have the same issues, the same problems, and meeting people from all various schools across the country, I heard a lot of the similar issues to what I face.
It's actually turned out to be a very good networking trip for us. There's a group we call our peers, and there are several attendees from some of those colleges. So it's been interesting just to learn about the structure of various facilities departments, and we've been able to get a lot of valuable advice.
So this doesn't end here. This is truly a workshop for you to not only collaborate and network with peers, but we want this to continue.
This is something that we want to do each year because we see that much value in it.
Yeah, if you are a Sightlines customer, you should definitely come to the next conference. It's well worthwhile, and I'm getting a lot out of it.
And as good as I thought it was, it will be better the next time.
I'll be here.